All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. So today's video, guys, is gonna be about the crossfire today, man. I've had some hiccups during the week of last week, guys, and I'm not sure what's going on with it. So today we will be dropping it off at K's Auto House to see what's going on. So let me let you guys know what's going on with it. So on my way back home from work, guys, I was stuck in traffic, about an hour traffic, and so when the car, I was going about maybe 10 miles an hour. So once the RPMs pretty much goes down, when I let off the gas, it gave me a jerk. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'm not sure if my transmission needs fluid in it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really haven't checked it because it doesn't have a dipstick. When I bought the car, it did not have a dipstick in the transmission. So I'm about to take it to the shop and see if they can check it out for me, man, and see if we can get that squared away, and hopefully check my torque converter too, because a lot of people were saying that might be what it is. Because when I put it in gear, when I put it in like drive, it like gives me a jerk, and then like when I put it in reverse, it gives me a jerk, and when I put it back in park, you can hear like a cling noise or something like that. So a lot of people were saying that it could be my motor mounts. I'm not sure if it is my motor mounts. I don't really think it is, but hey, never know, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off and let them guys check it out so they can check it out for me, man, and get this squared away. So with that being said, man, let me get this car warmed up and we're gonna head up on the road, get up out of here. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I really appreciate all the new subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. And hey, Thanksgiving was yesterday, man, so I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving, man. Crossfire, man, we're about to warm this thing up real quick, get it all warmed up. As you guys can see, it is dirty, super dirty. Let's see. And I will be taking these wheels off for now, guys, because where I work, it's like really far. So I will be taking them off. I will be putting back on the stocks. All right, so no check engine lights, guys, no warning lights, no nothing like that. So I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and take it to the shop. So like I said, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna start my wife's car up real quick so she can get hers warmed up. But yes, sir, man, going back to the shop today, man. Alright, let's see how much gas up in here. Oh shoot, gotta turn that off. so we're just now pulling up to the famous K's Auto Haus, man. These some good people right here, man. If you're in the area, Humble, Texas area, you wanna make sure you come over here, man. If you got anything that's going on with your car, they work on any types of car. That's what makes it beautiful about this place, because they work on anything, man. So I don't know how my wife didn't see me backing up. Guess she want me to hit her. But look at that thing right there, boy. I'll tell you one thing, that Crossfire look good when it's driving on the road, man. Definitely look good, y'all. So hopefully I'm not backing into nothing. All right, so let's go talk to these guys, and hopefully we can get some footage in the shop too. See what they got going on in there. All right, guys, so the Crossfire is here, man. They're gonna take a look at it here pretty soon. So like I said, man, if y'all need anything done, man, you want to come to K's Auto Haus right here in Humble, Texas, and they will get you right. So make sure y'all do that, man. And make sure y'all go on to Google and give them a 5-star review, man, because yeah, they take care of me every time I come, man. And they also got Lamborghinis. Like I said, they work on Lamborghinis, any kind of car, man. They got BMWs in there, Mercedes, everything in there, man. So they do all types of work on all cars, man. So but yeah, man, the Crossfire is gone for now, and we're gonna give y'all an update sometime next week. Like I said, I'll let y'all know what's going on with it, but hopefully not too much things going on, but we're gonna see, man. But it's your boy King's Life, man, checking out with another video, man. I'm out. Peace.